Hi and welcome to a new video on how to install and use Zoom. First of all, to install Zoom, you have to go to the App Store. Then I will have to type Zoom in the searching bar. I will now tap on the downloading button to download the app. Once it's downloaded, tap Open. This will straight away take you to the app. You can tap on sign up if you want to create an account, or otherwise you can just press on the blue button join a meeting. Now to join the meeting, you will be asked for the meeting ID and the meeting password, which are usually available with the meeting host. You have two join options, which are don't connect to audio or turn off my video, which you can control before joining the meeting. Now after I typed my ID, I'll press join so I can go to the next step. And here you are asked to type the meeting passcode, which is provided by the meeting host. After typing my passcode, I will press continue. Now you will have to wait for the meeting host to admit you to the meeting. You are now joined to the meeting. Once you are in the meeting, you will be asked to join the audio to be able to hear others. So I'll press call using internet audio. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, you have the two icons, the camera icon and the microphone icon, which you can control by just pressing on them. Now if you want to leave the meeting, you can just press on the red button on the top right of the screen, leave. Then press on leave meeting. And here we go, we got to the end of the video. I hope it was useful and thank you so much for watching.